Today, we are presenting a fully automatic servo hybrid PETG jar manufacturing setup. This is a 3-station injection stretch blow molding machine. First, plastic resin is loaded into the hopper. The material is then prepared for processing. Next, preforms are created through the injection process. In this stage, the plastic is shaped into precise preforms. Now the core pin rotates. It shifts the preform into the blowing station. Here, the stretching and blowing process takes place. The material takes the final shape of the jar. Then the core pin rotates again. Finally, the finished PETG jars are ejected automatically. This entire process is fast, precise, and fully automated. It ensures high-quality jar production with consistent results.